Hey there, I'm Emily with Robuck Homes, and I'm so excited to show you the Hampton Floor Plan. Let's take a look around. Come on in. So the foyer is one of our top selling features in the Hampton Floor Plan. Beautiful, spacious, welcomes you right in after a long, hard day's work, and opens up beautifully into our open concept kitchen and living area. One of my favorite features in this beautiful home is the open concept floor plan here in the main living area. From the gorgeous kitchen to the tech nook to the dining area, you can experience everyday living as a family right here with personalization options as well to make sure that everything is exactly as you dream it to be. So now we're in the living area of the Hampton Floor Plan. It is a beautiful, spacious area, and one outstanding Robuck feature is our use of lighting in this area. The beautiful tall windows and doors really invites you in. You can hang out with your family here, go outside, play, have a couple drinks on the porch, and it's all right here. So now we are in the loft area on the second floor of the Hampton Floor Plan. It's one of my favorite areas because this is a perfect place for you to come and watch a movie, practice your music. However, if you actually wanted a fourth bedroom, this would be where you would add that as a luxury personalization option. We have multiple bedrooms in the Hampton Floor Plan, but the star of the show has to be the primary suite. It's gorgeous with the beautiful tall windows. The light just flows right in, that beautiful natural light. And now, if you want a dream bathroom, take a look at this. When you walk through these double doors, you're living the life of luxury. This is a beautiful primary bathroom, spacious, light, with personalization options that you will be able to fit your needs and have the bathroom of your dreams.